and I plugged it in, and I put on this pot here, and it was reading EO, and I couldn't figure it out, and I read the manual, and I guess it only likes specific type of pots. So it did not like my metal pot, but it did like this cast iron, because right away, as soon as I put it on, it warmed up. So I'll get it close up to show you what it looks like in a second here. But while it's warming up, I was going to mention that this is really nice because the surface is smooth, it's easy to clean. I appreciate that there is a child lock on here, so the kids can't mess with it. And once you take the pot off, it shuts down. So that's really nice too, so you don't have to worry about like forgetting to leave it on and the kids come and touch it and that kind of thing. Alright, so here it is. You can see it's heating up. Excuse this cookware. This is my camping cookware. So I'll have to get a cast iron pot now for deep frying. But yeah, this is great because it can go from anywhere from 140 to 480 temperature-wise. And like I said, it has a 3-hour timer in case you need something to cook for quite a while. This will be really great for camping. I actually brought this skillet and we did it over the fire, and we didn't have a microwave or anything, and I cooked all the meals over the fire, which is great, but sometimes if it's raining and you can't have a fire, you don't have a microwave, you know, you're kind of stuck with cold dinner. So this will be a great easy option to have. Another good thing too is you can use it for college dorms and things like that because it's small. Alright, so I turned it off so I can show you how to use it. First you're going to want to hit power. And it's a little hard to see the readout display there, but you're at 0, so you're going to want to push that, and then you can toggle between the power and the temp. So I'm going to go through the temp. It's at 464 right now, so you can just go down or up. You have to kind of push it right away. There you go. Right now it's going down to 284, and you can kind of set what you want. Here is the child lock. Turn it on, turn it off. There's the timer, and you can set what you want to set, up or down. So turn that off. But yeah, super simple, easy to use. As long as you've got your cast iron cookware, it should be. Overall, this is a great product. It's going to come in really handy. I love that there's multiple uses for it for us, whether it's fish fries, outdoor, or for camping, or a backup even as something maybe extra for the holiday season if you didn't have enough stove top. So this is just going to come in really handy. I hope this video was helpful to you, and you will get yourself one of these nice hot plates and enjoy it. Thank you for watching.
FOGATTI induction cooker is a multifunctional built-in portable induction stove. With a 10-range adjustable fire that can be adjusted between 200 and 1800 watts. Special children's safety lock design prevents children from accidentally touching. Smart digital timer from 1 to 240 minutes. In terms of components, silicone toe design for added slip resistance. Easy maintenance, easy to clean, also suitable for cookware with a magnetic button. Durable multi-blade fan can dissipate heat quickly to ensure long product life. Finally, you can choose from 1 or 2 burner groups.
Elegant glass surface design, large heated area, even heating, sensitive touch buttons to control. Put a magnet to the bottom of the cookware. If it works, it's suitable for the induction cooktop, or else it's not. Place the cooktop and cookware on the right position and power on. Press the power or temperature button to make the power setting. You can press the button plus or minus to adjust the power level. You can set the temperature mode by pressing the power or temperature button and adjust it as before. When reached to the setting temperature, the induction cooktop will beep and eliminate to alarm. press the clock to enter the timer function. The display window shows the default time 0:30 and flashing. You can adjust the cooking time from 1 minute to 3 hours. After setting, press the timer button or wait 5 seconds to activate. The display window will show the timer or power level alternately. Press the timer button again to cancel the countdown. The cooktop will beep and turn off automatically after the countdown. After cooking, press the power button to turn off the unit. If there are no more action within 16 seconds or place the wrong cookware, it will shut down automatically. Please check whether the cookware is suitable or not. After cooking, unplug it from the outlet and don't touch the cooktop surface. Clean the cooktop with a damp cloth. Never use brushes or any abrasive cleansers.
Press the switch button to start the induction cooker. Then choose the zone and the level you wanna use and the machine will be start to work. The highest power can be set to level 9. We always have timer function, just set time after you choose power level. We always have timer function, just set time after you choose power level. In minutes, the maximum can be set to 99 minutes. Hold the key button after select zone and power start the lock function. After locking, it's useless when we touch any button we can through press the lock button 3 seconds lock machine. We have a special function to keep safe. The signal will appear when soup spill over the pot. And the elegant glass is easy to clean to keep beautiful appearance. If the machine works for a while and the working area temperature higher than 65 Celsius, the H signal will appear. And it will disappear after working area cooling. Tips: induction cooker just suitable for the pot attracted by the magnet.